Hello guys and welcome back to Touch Crypto for another Bcoq Inu video. And in this video, I did say in my last video that this here could be our saving grace. If we fall below there, we can only see more bloodshed within Bcoq Inu charts. However, we were able to withhold this area here, and then we bounced it quite comfortably back up into this area right there. Now, from here, I'm expecting a bit more volatile movements coming in for Bcoq Inu. How high can we go over the next couple of weeks, or even within the next few days before the end of the week? Guys, you just need to stick around for the video. So let's get on with the technicals. Well, hello guys and welcome back to another Bcoq Inu video. And well guys, I was quite worried that if we do break below here, we'll be going even much further back down to the downside. Had we gone back even further down, my next important area would have been at least around about this area here. That's too far down for myself, if I was to be honest, because if this would have been our next area for support, and you can see by this green line there that that's our current price. So I'm just going to bring out the measuring tool just to give you an idea how far down would we have to travel further potentially. And that'd be roughly around about 40% move to the downside. Now we've already made such a humongous move to the downside, so I'm not sure how a lot of people who just got into crypto or anyone else would be able to handle that, because if you see your portfolio value just gone down, you might be tempted to just run away by exiting the trade, which would be a very bad idea. Reason why? Because you literally would have lost quite a bit of your initial investments, or at least your trade. Don't know how much you put in, but either way guys, always be prepared to lose wherever you trade with XRP, with cryptocurrency, because it's so volatile, and you just don't know whether you have bought a scammy coin that might not exist over the next couple of weeks. But I reckon with Bcoq, it's not a scam coin. I do see a crazy potential coming in for Bcoq Inu, and it's actually on Solana. So I reckon this would be like one of the impressive movers for this new bull season coming up. Alright, so if we do come back to that 40% down from where we were, it would be around about there. As you can see guys, we've made that explosive move to the upside, but it looks like that we are somehow pulling ourselves back, or at least halfway mark. It looks like we're more or less sitting halfway through the this massive move. Even if you measure from the body of the, let me do the other way around actually, even if it did measure by using the Fibonacci retracement tool, we are just going to measure from the bottom down to the top of the body. Reason why upside down, because you can see how far could we possibly retrace, and we have in fact retraced back into that golden pocket of 0.618. Now this could be, actually this could be perhaps one of the most important levels, especially when you look at the Fibonacci retracement tool, because normally anywhere between 0.5 to 0.618 is the most important retracement for any cryptocurrency, because as we make this explosive move to the upside, if we fall back at least halfway between this move, and that just so happens to be between the 0.618 or touching this area, this could be a stronger confluence of us bouncing our way back up to the top. And if we do so from here to there, that's going to give us a massive profit again. So that should give us an approximately of around about 150% move to the upside. And guys, that'd be quite a sick move. However, I am measuring only from the top of the body of these two high candles, but if we measure up to the top, that could be even more of a bigger move. And if that was to play out, then guys, would be even more of a profit. but I'm just going to give you a guesstimate so you have an idea how much you could potentially earn from this move if we load up more around about here, with the expectation of us ending up here or even breaking up further. If you go right to the top of that wick, it will give us approximately 266% move to the upside. Now that is very doable. So this is the daily chart. Why don't we head back down into the 4-hourly chart? Alright guys, so on a 4-hourly chart it looks like okay, it looks a little bit more bearish, reason being because we've actually broken down below this area here. And let me change the color to yellow, and let me thicken up that line. There we go. Now, as far as technical analysis is concerned, normally if I see that we do break, or at least the body has pushed down below this lows over here, because that's lower than these ones here, then it could spell, at least for the short term, that we are going to be bearish and make our way, like I said, around about between these areas up here. However, as long as this green candle here becomes an engulfing green candle bigger than this body, then we could be in a very much in a positive position to at least head away back up to the zone up here at the price of 0.000000. I don't know why I'm saying that. Price of, let's just say 1797. That would be the most important and crucial area. Yeah, that looks about right actually. We are currently just going sideways from here. We just need to close up above this red candle there, but we just need this candle to be more engulfing, bigger than that one, and that will give us a stronger confluence of us pushing ourselves back up to the top, or at least, that should be our next target. If that is the case, and that will put us at least back up to around about 28% move to the upside. So guys, have no fear with Bcoq Inu, because I reckon it will clock its way and save the day. And I still expect a lot more movements coming in from Bcoq Inu. And my ultimate prediction for this coin, if you like to know, you know what, I'm going to show you anyway. Firstly, let's pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool to give you a bit more of an accurate prediction to where this coin could head. Actually, whilst we're doing that, I might as well select the measuring tool so we can do both at the same time. Alright, so according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, it looks like if we do go all the way up to the top or somewhat near the top, then we should be expecting a nice, massive 1,338% move to the upside. Now that is great, because if you do put in just $100, you get $1,357. And if you put in grand, then you get the gist. Quite simple maths to you there. But I don't believe that we will end there. Even if we reach up to at least a half of Bcoq Inu market cap, we can go even much further to the upside. Let's just say from the current price from where we're at around about here, and if you do go up approximately a half of the Bcoq Inu market cap, we could see even a lot more move to the upside. We could possibly eat one more zero from here, even if we do end up around about up there and we knock a couple of zeros, so it's going to be 0.000017. That could possibly pull us at 12,965% move to the upside. Guys, this would be a humongous move, but it is a long play. So hopefully we should be able to see this sort of movements in this bull season. If we don't and we get even 100x, great. If we get 20x, it's not too bad, but we should expect a little bit more than 20x in this bull season. This massive, look at that, this massive 12,965% move to the upside. I don't know, guys. What do you reckon? Do you reckon we can achieve that in this bull run? Let me know in the comments. Either way, I will leave it there. And if you do like this content, guys, do me all a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you haven't done so already. Let me point you to the direction where you should subscribe, and if you checked out my last video, check it out here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.